Mix it well. Scoop 1, scoop 2, scoop 3. Let's go. Oh wow, it's so creamy. I'm so excited. Wow, amazing. This looks so Insta-worthy. I can't wait to drink it. Hi everyone, welcome back. Have you heard of Dalgona coffee, originally from Korea? It went viral on social media a little while ago. Today, I'm going to combine it with this fun apple caramelized Nerunerunerune like a candy kit for grown-ups. This drink is super easy to make, but absolutely delicious, so stick around to the end. Let's start by making it the usual way. By the way, Dalgona in Korean refers to an old-fashioned sugar candy that brings back childhood memories. When I saw this on social media, I immediately thought it would pair perfectly with this candy kit, and I've been so excited to try it. I actually made this apple caramelized flavor in a previous video, and it really felt like a rich, indulgent dessert for adults. All you have to do is mix the powder and water. Super simple and quick. Start by mixing the powder with water really well. The sweet apple aroma is amazing. Then, when you add the second powder, it fluffs up like this. It's always so fascinating. Look at that! So much volume! Once it's well mixed, smooth it out flat. Something like this. Next, sprinkle the caramel powder all over it. Like this. Then, add a few drops of water. And look! It looks so real. It's so exciting! After waiting a bit, it starts to harden just like real caramelized sugar. I can't wait to see the final result. While we wait, let's make the butter sauce. As soon as I open the powder packet, that rich, sweet buttery aroma comes out. I mix it gently so powder doesn't fly everywhere. Once mixed well, it becomes this rich, creamy butter sauce. Oh, looks delicious! Let's check on the caramelized candy. Wow, it's really hardened. Can you hear that sound? Now, it's finally time to make the Dalgona coffee. You can use a whisk, a bottle, whatever you like. I'm using my protein shaker. And 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use brown sugar. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. So that's a 1:1:1 ratio. Now, shake it up until it thickens. Just keep shaking and shaking. It's a bit tiring, but I'll push through for delicious Dalgona coffee. The shaking sound has gotten smoother. It's gone quiet now. Sounds like it's ready. Let's check it out. It's hard to see on camera, but it's nice and thick. Now we will put together the drink. Add ice to a glass, then pour in the milk. It already looks so cold and delicious. Now pour the whipped Dalgona coffee over the milk. My heart's pounding. Wow! Amazing! You can clearly see the layers, so creamy and beautiful. Doesn't it look like something from a cafe? Looks delicious. Now, I'm going to top it with the apple caramelized Nerunerunerune. I'm excited! Can you hear that sound? So satisfying! It hardened perfectly. I want to add a lot. I wonder if it will float okay. It's a bit heavy. I'll press it gently. I'm so excited! I'll add a little more to show off the caramel topping. Wow! Incredible! Seriously amazing! Of course, I'm adding the butter sauce too. And it's done! Look at that! It's a viral Dalgona coffee, but upgraded and even fancier. An original drink with Nerunerunerune topping. I'm so excited! This turned out so well. Now, let's taste it. いただきます. First, I'll try the creamy coffee part. Oh, it's bittersweet with just the right touch of sweetness. A grown-up flavor. Delicious! Next, I'll mix in the Nerunerunerune. The sweet apple caramelized flavor and the coffee's bitterness blend so well. It's incredibly rich. I'm very satisfied. Now, I'll mix in the milk slowly and take a sip. It's so good! Cold, sweet, little bitter, the perfect adult drink. You've got to try this for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!